Hi friends! Today I'm going to draw a rainy day. It's a very broad topic, I know. I mean, a rainy day could be at a riverside or a field. Well, I'm going to draw a rainy day during normal day at school. Come on, let's check it out. I will draw a little girl first, round face with hair tied up neatly with a bow, eyes, nose, and a smile. She is, of course, waving at us. Other hand, she will be holding an umbrella. She is also wearing a raincoat that will protect her and her school bag from rain. A pair of boots, let's draw a pavement here. Now the school entrance and gate. A brick wall behind, some trees too. Now a building structure inside the school campus. Not the main school building, just an office building, I guess. Main school building will be a different topic and drawing altogether. Done with sketching. We'll start coloring the skin with light brown. Dark brown hair. Red ribbons, boots, and the dress inside. Yellow raincoat with red circles. Red buttons. Umbrella will be pink with purple double border. Dark grey for the handle. Darker pink inside here. Now the entrance arc I will color with light brown and gate with dark brown. Dark grey for the windows and door of the building and dark blue for the building. Grey for the pavement. Green for the trees. And orange for wall. Some grass in the school. Now I will give some white shading to the raincoat and boots, making them little shiny. Some light shading to the pavement too. And some brick-like look to the wall by giving a dark brown shading, just the horizontal lines. Then giving a darker green shade to the trees. Some white shading to the umbrella. Now dark shading at the bottom, and with that we start outlining with black. Eyelashes and eyebrows. Lips I will outline with red. Some blush too. Very simple design to the entrance arc. Now I will draw the raindrops with dark blue. Some puddles on the pavement. We'll highlight with dark blue and also we'll give a white shading. Some splash of raindrops here and there, which I will outline with white. And we'll also give another line of rain with white. That should give a better effect, I think. We'll erase the pencil marks and some finishing touch with hair and eyes, and we are done. How does it look? Did you like this kind of a different rainy day? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I hope you had fun watching this video as much fun I had making it. Do check out my other fun videos. Please also subscribe to my channel. That would surely encourage me to make more such videos. Give a thumbs up if you like the video and don't forget to comment. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.